Good morning, students. Once again, we are here to discuss class chapter test and measurement in sports. Today, we are going to discuss, as I told you in previous video, Rickley and Jones test. Rickley and Jones test. This test is used for measuring physical fitness of senior citizen. Senior citizen means 60 or above than 60. But before we explain this test, we are taking a quick feedback of previous topics that we have taught in previous video or previous class. In previous video, we are discussing Harvard step test, and Rockport 1 mile test. 1 mile test. Okay, students, just tell me, Harvard step test is used for. Harvard step test is used to check cardiovascular power और cardiovascular endurance of an individual. क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट था इस टेस्ट में? इसमें एक बॉक्स था मेजरिंग, ठीक है, कितना मेजरिंग थे उसके? 50 सेंटीमीटर फॉर बॉयज एंड 40 सेंटीमीटर फॉर गर्ल्स. और रॉकपोर्ट टेस्ट 1 माइल टेस्ट किसके लिए था? इट इज ऑल्सो यूज टू चेक एरोबिक एंडोरेंस. कैसे परफॉर्म करते थे ये सब हम लोग लास्ट टाइम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, ठीक है. फिर भी कोई मुझे ये बताए कि व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला टू कैलकुलेट शॉर्ट टर्म एंडोरेंस फ्रॉम हार्वर्ड स्टेप टेस्ट. एनीवन, कोई बताइए. मंजा, हर्षिता, करण, पाणिनी, सुमित, एनीवन. The formula is 5.5 multiplied 100 multiplied test duration upon 5.5 multiplied 100 after recovery. और recovery period क्या था? recovery period क्या था? in short term 60 to 97. So today we are going to discuss Rickley and Jones test. It is one of the important tests for class 12. The at least 3 numbers question definitely come from this test in board examination. At least 3 marks. So Rickley and Jones test, these both are the physiologist of US. He can develop this test for senior citizen in year 2001. In year 2001, Rickley and Jones developed this test for senior citizen. As you all know, due to the aging problem, due to the age, our fitness goes down day by day. To check or improve the fitness level of senior citizen, Rickley and Jones describe or develop this test. This test is used to check the physical fitness component of physical fitness, functional physical fitness of an individual. So this test consists of 6. This test consists of 6 battery item tests. It included, first one is arm cardio test. Second one is back scratch test. Third one is chair sit and reach test. Fourth one is minute walk test. Fifth one is 6-minute walk test. Fifth one is chair stand test, arm test, back stretch test, chair sit and reach test, 6-minute walk test, chair stand test, and last but not least it is eight foot up and go test. So these are 6 tests include to check physical fitness level of senior citizen person. To measuring senior citizen person physical fitness. Arm curl, back stretch test, chair sit and reach test, 6-minute walk test, chair stand test, and 8 foot up and go test. So in this video first we can explain 3 tests. Okay. So first we talk about arm curl test. Arm curl test is used to measure or check upper body strength. Upper body strength and endurance. Upper body strength and endurance of, remember, senior citizen. To check upper body strength and endurance of senior citizen. For this test, we require equipment that we require dumbbell जिससे हम लोग डंबल करते हैं, परफॉर्म करते हैं. वेट ऑफ दिस डंबल 8 pound for male and 5 pound for female. 8 pound for male and 5 pound for female. It is the, and we also require stopwatch and a chair. The equipment are required these 8 pound and 5 pound. Pound is the measuring unit. 1 pound, as we told you earlier, 1 pound means 453 gram. So for women it is approx 2.5 to 3 kg, and for male it is approx 4 kg. Weight of the dumbbell. So arm curl test procedure. A simple procedure. A person can sit on a chair, their back should be stretched, and he can kept dumbbell in both hands and lift up and down, This will be counted 1. This will be counted 1, and he or she can perform this task for 30 seconds. And if he or she, means for male and female, for male 12 and for female, if it is less than 10 for female and 12 for male, then that person come in high risk zone, means their physical fitness is need to improve. उसकी physical fitness सही नहीं है. So again this test is used to check upper body strength, especially shoulder muscles and biceps. Arm curl test. ये क्यों किया जाता है? क्योंकि हम लोग जानते हैं कि जो ग्रैंडफादर ग्रैंडमदर होते हैं वो कैरी करते हैं सामान, मार्केट से, उनको उठाने में जो प्रॉब्लम होती है, कोई भी वेजिटेबल या हम लोग राशन की दुकान से सामान लेते हैं तो उनको उठाने में प्रॉब्लम होती है। तो इस हिसाब से हम लोग चेक कर सकते हैं उनकी स्ट्रेंथ और एंड्योरेंस कि वो कितनी देर तक उठा सकते हैं और कितना वेट उठा सकते हैं इजी। नेक्स्ट इज चेयर sit and reach test. Chair sit and reach test is also used to check the fitness level of senior citizen person. This test is used to check lower flexibility. What? Lower flexibility. Lower flexibility of a person. Lower flexibility means lower back muscles, hamstring muscles and lower leg muscles. इसकी flexibility को चेक करने के लिए हम लोग लेते हैं chair sit and reach test. In this test we are also require a chair. The height of that chair is the height of chair is 17 inches, at least 17 inches उसकी हाइट होती है। एंड वी ऑल्सो रिक्वायर मेजरिंग टेप टू कंडक्ट दिस टेस्ट। मेजरिंग टेप इसके प्रोसीजर में कैसे होता है, हाउ इट कैन बी परफॉर्म। अ पर्सन कैन सिट ऑन अ चेयर and their back should be straight. After that you can just stretch their 1 feet ahead and try to touch their toes with the 4 fingers, means इन fingers टच करने की कोशिश करता है अपने toes को। and if he can touch the toes of their feet without bending their knees then it's okay. Otherwise a person suffering from lower flexibility problem related to their lower back or hamstring. So if the distance between toes and distance or gap between toes and 4 fingers, means tips of the fingers, is greater than 4 inches in male and 2 inches in female, then they count to be in high risk zone. Next we can discuss about back scratch test. Third test is back scratch test is also used to check flexibility, but it is check upper body flexibility. जैसा कि हम लोग जानते हैं कि बढ़ती एज में किसी भी पर्सन को टी शर्ट अगर पहनना है या कॉम करना है, कॉमिंग द हेयर, उसमें क्या है एट द एज ऑफ सीनियर सिटीजन मीन्स 60 और एवर, तो उसको क्या होता है प्रॉब्लम होती है, या उसको रेशेज हो गए या कोई प्रॉब्लम है, उसको टाइट करना है, पीछे की तरफ बेंड करना है, तो उसको टाइट करना है, प्रॉब्लम होती है। तो फॉर बैक स्ट्रेच टेस्ट वी कैन चेक अपर बॉडी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी ऑफ सीनियर सिटीजन, हाउ देयर फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी ऑफ इज, देन वी कैन कंडक्ट दिस टेस्ट। इस दिस टेस्ट वी आर रिक्वायर measuring tape on. For conducting this test to check upper body flexibility for senior citizen, first a person stand straight. After that he can just bend their right hand from their shoulder like that. Same time their another hand means left hand move from another side and their palm should be in upward direction like that. Okay, like that, and they can try to touch their both fingers or palm. They can try to touch They are both finger and palm. But remember, this test is designed for senior citizen. We can easily perform this task because we are not counted in senior citizen. But it is the test that used to check upper body flexibility of senior citizen. So, if the distance of gap between both finger same as certain distance, if it is greater than 2 inches in female and 4 inches in male, then it comes in high risk zone. So these are the 3 tests that we discussed. For better understanding, with the help of PPT presentation, we can understand these tests. After completing the PPT, we can ask you some confirmatory question, then give the answer in a proper manner. In next video, we can discuss remaining test. Okay. So students, as we discuss Rickley and Jones Senior Citizen Fitness Test. The Rickley and Jones Senior Citizen Fitness Test, as I told you earlier, it is used for check the functional fitness of older adults. It means it is used to check the fitness of older age people like your grandmother, grandfather, and the person who belong to more than 60 or above. This test describes easy to understand and effective test to measure aerobic fitness, strength, and flexibility by using minimum and inexpensive equipment. The individual fitness test item involve common activities such as getting up from a chair, walking, lifting something, bending their body as well as stretching. This test is developed by Rickley and Jones. These both are famous physiologists. They developed this test in 2001 in California. Now we move on to next slide. Arm curl test. As I told you earlier, in this test, 6 battery item test. First we can describe 3 of them. Arm curl test. You are looking at that picture, a lady performing a dumbbell exercise. So the procedure to perform arm curl exercise, first of all, you may sit on the chair. Place your feet flat on the floor. Keep your back in straight position. Using your dominant hand. Dominant hand means जिस हैंड पर आप ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं. You can hold the weight straight down by your side with a hand shake grip. जैसे आपने देख रखा है कि उसने उस डंबल को पकड़ रखा है अपने स्ट्रॉन्ग हैंड में. Lift weight to above your elbow, rotating your twist so the palm face upward. Lower the weight back to your side. Repeat this exercise as many times as possible in 30 seconds. If it is less than 10 in female and 12 in male, then that person comes in high risk zone. Move on to next test. Our next test is chair sit and reach test. Chair sit and reach test is specially designed for senior citizen person to check their lower body flexibility, especially leg muscles, hamstring muscles and lower back muscles. To conduct this test, first a person sit close to the front of the seat in the chair. After that, have one leg extend straight with the heel on the floor and the foot flexed at 90 degree to the leg, as you seen in that picture. Have the other leg bent at right angle at the knee with the foot flat on the floor. Place one hand over the other with fingertips level. After that, he or she may slowly reach forward as far as he can toward the toes in the outstretched leg. Hold the toe for maximum at least 2 to 3 seconds. If the distance is measured between the tip of the fingertips and the toes, if the fingertips touch the toes, then score is 0. If the gap or distance is more than 2 inches in male and 4 inches in female, then they come in high risk zone. Next we move on to next test. The name of this test is back scratch test. So back scratch test, in this test you are looking at that picture. This test is used to check upper body flexibility of an individual. An individual, it means a person who having more than 60 or above age. This test is used, again I am telling you that this test is used to check upper body flexibility for senior citizen person. You are looking at that picture. A person bend their hand and try to touch their both feet, their both palm and fingers. How we can conduct this test? To conduct this test, first we can place one hand over the same shoulder with the palm touching the back and reach down the back. After that, place the other hand up the back from the waist with the palm facing outwards. Reach up the back. Point the middle finger of each of hand toward each other. We can try and touch the fingers of each hand in the middle of the back. Do grasp the fingers and pull the hands together. Try to touch the finger and pull the hands together. If the both fingers touch each other, then it's okay. If the distance or gap between both fingertips is more than 2 inches for male and more than 4 inches for female, it comes in high risk zone. After completing these tests, 3 tests, we can asking you some questions that comes in board examination, frequently asked question. So look at these questions. These are some confirmatory questions. First, Rohit grandfather facing problem to tie up their shoelace. So which test you would suggest to solve this problem? Just give me the answer. Take few seconds to get the answer. 5 seconds more. Okay, so the answer is chair, sit and reach test. This test is used to check lower body flexibility of senior citizen. Senior citizen, it means the person having 60 or above the 60 years age. Our next question is Mahika grandmother facing problem to lift the bag. Lift the bag means the bag carry vegetables or some other material. So which test you would suggest to solve this problem? Just look at the video and give the answer. Okay, then answer is arm curl test. Arm curl test is used to check strength and endurance. I am repeat that sentence again. Arm curl test is used to check or measure strength and endurance of a senior citizen. I think you get my point. After that, next 3 tests we will discuss in our next video. So at home, stay at home. Okay students, goodbye.